No kidney patient will ever lose a kidney again. Hey there, Healthline Champions. Welcome back to another episode of Health Hacks for a Better You. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon to join our awesome community dedicated to living healthier, happier lives. Today, we're talking about 6 techniques that can help reverse kidney damage and promote good kidney health. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to give your kidneys some love. And remember, stick around until the end for a bonus tip you won't want to miss. Regular exercise is another crucial technique. Our first technique is simple but incredibly effective: hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys remove toxins from your body and maintain a healthy balance of fluids. Think of water as your kidney's best friend. They're like, "Hey, thanks for the help with all this cleaning." Aim for about 8 glasses a day, but remember, everyone's needs are different. Listen to your body. 2. Healthy diet. Next up, we have a healthy diet. Eating the right foods can significantly impact your kidney health. Focus on consuming fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Limit your intake of sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, which can be hard on the kidneys. Sorry, potato chips and soda, you're not invited to this kidney-friendly party. 3. Regular exercise. Regular exercise is another crucial technique. Physical activity helps improve blood circulation and reduces the risk of high blood pressure and diabetes, which are leading causes of kidney disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Plus, working out gives you more energy to dance like nobody's watching. Just make sure to stay hydrated. 4. Manage blood sugar and blood pressure. Managing blood sugar and blood pressure is vital for kidney health. High blood sugar and hypertension can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys. Keep these levels in check by monitoring them regularly and following your doctor's advice. Think of it as keeping your kidneys on a smooth, pothole-free road. Nobody likes a bumpy ride. 5. Avoid overuse of painkillers. Our 5th technique is to avoid overuse of painkillers. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, can harm your kidneys if taken too frequently. Always follow the recommended dosage and consult your healthcare provider if you need long-term pain management. Your kidneys are like, "Hey, we're not a fan of these pills. Let's give them a break whenever possible." 6. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Last but not least, quit smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking reduces blood flow to the kidneys and can accelerate kidney disease progression. Excessive alcohol intake can also damage these vital organs. Imagine your kidneys are at a spa, relaxed and happy. Smoking and heavy drinking are like inviting a loud, rowdy crowd to their peaceful retreat. Let's keep it serene. And there you have it, folks. 6 powerful techniques to help reverse kidney damage and promote good kidney health. Hydrate. Eat well. Exercise. Manage your blood sugar and blood pressure. Be mindful with painkillers. And steer clear of smoking and excessive alcohol. Your kidneys will thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. And if you have any personal tips or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, Healthline Champions. Here's to happy, healthy kidneys and a wonderful life.